The Design Futures Council has an annual survey, and this survey is trends, shifts, issues that are likely to disrupt the design professions in the future. And the whole purpose of this is to look at the strengthening of the business models, the competitive fitness of firms, and a future of satisfaction. We have some unfolding phenomena in technology that we haven't totally figured out how to use yet. For example, applications. Are we more relevant this year than last? Now, there's something that we can begin to quantify. And are we moving quickly enough with discipline to anticipate the new opportunities and new successes? We look at the trajectory of change, in other words, the speed of change, and we look at the importance of change. For this particular survey, use 50 thought leaders who are board members of the Design Futures Council and our senior fellows. But just take a look at this. You can see how we're dramatically moving from a certain kind of profession and towards a different kind of profession. From construction as a very wasteful energy that we have been apologizing for, to construction industry as something that can be much leaner, much cleaner, with much less waste. And the economic problems that we have been in have actually caused many leaders in our profession to experience something even more difficult, and that's an emotional recession. And these are case studies of firms that have failed, right? In this time, they were not able to get out of denial into enough self-analysis to reinvent themselves. And we look at the four quadrants, not just professional service and delivery, which can be, sexy and it captures us and captivates us, but we need to look at discipline and operations, marketing, and financing. But plenty of opportunities, but they're moving targets, and sometimes firms are not prepared. They're stuck in an area of decline, either a regional area of decline or otherwise. Greenway Group is still predicting that those firms practicing globally will experience about 13% growth this year. The context in the environment, with technologies, with our demographics, with the changing marketplaces, with competitors, it's all changing. A lot of the strategies deployed by the architecture profession are for this old context. Consider this one. The average lifespan of professionals will surpass 100 years in 2025. And so how might that change the profession?